Good morning, it's raining. It'll get better, right? We are supposed to be going out today to a nice market where we hope to find some vintage cameras.
This is what I call the window of the opportunity.
It looks like it stopped raining, so we are going to try our luck and go out. It doesn't rain at the moment, we are in luck. Those are the tram rails. People are basically just walking on top of rails. I got my answer what happens when a tram comes. So the tram makes a sound and then people just slowly move away. The weather is very nice and sunny. We made it to the location. This place is quite enormous. We're still trying to get towards the end of the place, full of crap. Some of the stuff can be exciting. We haven't found really lots of good film cameras. Found one Leningrad camera which was not in great condition. We are slowly finding our way out from this amazing place. We got some loot which I'll spare for the end of this episode. We found some cameras, pretty exciting. Super quick review of the market, the vintage market we've just been to. The market is alright, it's quite huge, you can find all sort of stuff in there. Good stuff is very rare and you have to actually look for it, and generally it's concentrated around like a few places. And it's not cheap. You can get a good price if you actually haggle, and you have to be quite aggressive about that. So yeah, we got 3 cameras for a fair price. Not cheap, but not expensive, and cheaper than eBay, which is alright. What do you think about the market?
It was really messy, and I'm disappointed that I didn't buy porcelain figurines I wanted to, which are from Leningrad porcelain fabric. They're really cute and really popular and expensive, so I didn't buy any.
Следующая станция Озерки. Просвещение.
We travel a little bit more to the north to we need to buy a present. With some luck we're going to get it here. We are back in central town. Check out city bikes. We are going to meet Stanislas, brother and nephew, in a few moments. But before that, we are going to get some pie. Nice and tasty pie.
Это мы. Привет, привет.
Здорово.
Ты пухлик. Из полиции. Это, ну, там можно посмотреть. Нашли мишку. Да, нашли мишку.
Icon.
We got a cache of photographic equipment from about like 100 years old. So far, a bunch of stuff. There's some expired medium format film. There's this film, which seems to be unpacked. Hard to tell what's inside. Probably a film which you could use somehow. Check out the size of it. It's one roll of film which is shot but never processed, and it's black and white. Potentially I could actually develop this. Here's another piece of history. This is a manual to Leica camera. This is a Russian translation to that manual so that you can use it with a camera called Fed, which was a copy of Leica camera. Leica, Russian version, Fed. It's late. We got a basket full of photo cameras, vintage photo cameras, and now walking home.